Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you the review of InvoiceNinja. The first thing I'm going to show you are pricing plans, and then I'm going to show you the main features. Also, I will show you what kind of advantage Invoice has comparing to other accounting softwares. So let's start. When you click here on pricing on InvoiceNinja, you have three options here. You can go with the forever free, which is like amazing, 100 clients, unlimited invoices, quotes. You will find also a link down below in the description for registering on InvoiceNinja. Then you're gonna see brand invoice with company logo, and like even when you would use forever free account, it's good, it's really good. But then let's say that you're gonna have 200 clients and you need Ninja Pro plan, but even then the pricing is okay. It's not so expensive comparing to Xero or QuickBooks. Attach invoice PDFs, create reports, buy now buttons, then professional invoice quotation templates that you can use. I will also show them how you can personalize and how you can edit your own invoice template. And then you get also enterprise plan. So the pricing is good. I mean, you get the 4 free, so you can test it out with link description. And then you get also Ninja Pro plan here and enterprise. Let's go to the beautiful dashboard and the features. So when you click here on InvoiceNinja, you're gonna see dashboard here. It's really clean. You can go with the invoices here. You see the activity, recent payments, invoice past due, incoming invoice, upcoming. Then you can simply add the clients. This is normal, simple stuff. Add the products, and every single this thing is simple. Then invoice. When you would click on here on a new invoice, it's fast, it's quick. I can click client, then I can simply add a book as item, and I see the example of the invoice. And this is the first thing I want to show you. When you click here on the settings, I can simply go to invoice design on advanced settings and edit the invoice as much as I want. Modern, plain, business. And then you can change also the fonts, labels, fields, like what you're gonna have in an invoice. So it's not like, it's really open source and you can edit it as much as you want. And this is, in my opinion, huge. Product fields, invoice options, right? Then I can simply go to payments that I'm going to get paid for the invoice. Then you can also add recurring invoices here, and it's the same style with a normal invoice. You just add it like client here, item, and then you're gonna see frequency here, monthly, start date, end date, due date. Auto bill, you can have it off on, opt in, opt out always. And you see it here, the recurring invoice. Same with the credits. Like, it's really, really simple. Enter a credit here and you're good to go. Then another thing that I want to show you, that yes, you can simply add a project, and this is the thing with the project. Add a new project and you will see what InvoiceNinja has that others don't. So YouTube, you can have a due date here. Let's go 28, budgeted hours 12, task rate will be 5, private notes, click save. Right after do it, I can simply add to Kanban. Like, let me know which accounting software got Kanban board. New task, description, this is a task. And you can go with a timer or manual times and start. Right now, as you can see, the time tracking is working perfectly, and I can see the 3 seconds are going to locked and running. But when I'm going to click on a project, and I'm going to click on a project, I can simply click here to Kanban style and move the task, right? In progress done. And this is the huge advantage InvoiceNinja has comparing to the others. So I love this. Then you're gonna see expenses here that you can simply, again, recurring expense or new expense, and you just add here the vendor, the category, you can add a month, and then you also see the reports, the client, mark billable, mark paid, convert currency if you want to, and then you can simply add the vendors here and new vendor. Now, same style, right? Simple as that. When I'm going to click on task, in progress running, I can click on a task or click on a time tracker, and I can quickly go with stop the task, successfully stopped. If it will be like 1 hour, it will be billable. And you can see right here that InvoiceNinja is perfect in this. And I definitely recommend like checking it out, because I made a lot of tutorials on Wave, on FreshBooks, on QuickBooks, also for like, I don't know, what's the other, Xero. And I honestly believe that InvoiceNinja is top notch with the capabilities, what you can do with it. Yes, I wouldn't use it if you have employees. You can do sales tax, you don't have mileage here, 109 contractors, you won't do it like in QuickBooks. The reporting is not that advanced comparing to the others, completely agree to that. But other than that, it's really good. Profit and loss, you can go as a CSV or XLSX, you can export it and really play around it. So if you have any questions, guys, or any your opinion, just share it in the comments. I'm really happy to hear it. What do you think about it, and what are your recommendations, like which one you should use, or if you like it more comparing to the one you're using, or if you don't know which one you should use. But in my opinion, InvoiceNinja is great. I mean, I could even say that's like, when you compare it to the top, it can be like in the top 3 complete free accounting softwares. I really think so. Because like you have ZipBooks, then you have also Wave, and you can have, I don't know what is the third one, but they're all great. But the InvoiceNinja gives you the open source capabilities that you don't have in others. Like in Wave, you don't have templates for invoices. Yes, it's free, but it's limited. I would use definitely also in Wave, you don't have projects. This is the huge thing. You just don't have project in Wave, and also time tracking. In Xero, I think you don't have also time tracking. You have also only option to add like timestamp on how much time you spend on the project, not directly time tracking. So that's huge. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. What you can do is you can test it out InvoiceNinja with the link down below in the description. You can do it if you want to. Also, definitely I recommend focus on business, on generating revenue. Don't really focus that much on accountancy and business administration. And like I see plenty of people who are starting in a business, or who make business, or who make money in business, they are focusing all the time on things that don't earn money. Just focus on the things that earn money, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, thank you guys, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.